Yeah, there's one controversial then. Reckon it's here now. It's very quicker.
How did you quench it?
Must start blowing on it. Sign after that.
How was the thing up so high?
Just for the flow.
Lovely burger.
You taking pictures or what?
Yeah, smile here. Here.
I'm not going to fall for that one.
Bah!
Well, I give you a picture of you.
I can flash fry a buffalo and hen.
You get one of them. No mind taking a picture of me, no.
Here, hold on a minute now. Look at them eyes there. Oh, a bit blurry looking. Huh? 127. Yeah, who's that?
Back to here, boys, what you want?
Is that Big Dawn 11?
Yeah, boys, no, that's my point. 6 bags of coke here and 16, 20 oak.
Alright, yeah, you'll see us all in the back.
No, a bit far. If you're curfew tomorrow, we're going to meet up. Judge is coming in anyway, so. Campo, we get Campo in this catch.
Not like a bit of homo love.
You will love on,
Lawrence!
We get nothing then.
Bail him, hey, hey!
Oh, that's good, Sean.
Two white guys in the back there and they're
I'm not talking to
Hey!
and line the bed.
Sean, I'm only messing with you, honey. You know I love it.
Happy out. And we used to put on a plate, a really long plate first, so we wouldn't have to get out of bed and make a few cups of tea. Tea was the best job, brother. Oh, you know.
You don't know what to do.
You were talking about tea there.
Tea.
Bringing half my stuff back anyway and get
What happened?
I know he's telling me.
Oh, the burgers are just fueling the fire. Everywhere you move.
Over there and then the white tea.
Jeez, I never seen a baby with a Kev burger. Last time we were there.
The word's really good.
Lord, like,
He's gone about for 2 months experience of the night.
You know experience of the night.